Welcome to the PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to see how to turn your photo into cartoon image. So before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get started. For this, you need to go to the Play Store and search for ToonMe, click on it, and you get to see this kind of ToonMe cartoons from photos. Install it. Once you install it, you can see that there are lots of toon effects that you can apply to your photos. Here you can also see the trending tab to see what all are trending, and here you also have a recent tab to see what all things you have just recently added and all. So let us just choose one of these effects to apply to our photo. Let's say that I want to apply something like this to my photo. Let's say for this image I got this kind of output from this app. So this app you can just go explore more. You can go explore more of these effects and you can apply to your own photos. And this is all for this video, guys. Hope you found this video useful to you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro so that you never miss an update from us.